Yeah.
Ali em cima do carrinho.
Não, eu queria evitar era o buraco. Estava um buraco aqui atrás.
Olha, é para vir o buraco e estás no carrinho.
E bati daquele lado.
É melhor passar para o buraco que passarmos nessa merda.
Pois.
Vá.
Fique bem, obrigado. Está tudo bem, tá. Eu caí de lado. Está ótimo.
Eu vi.
E deu uma cambalhota gira. É muito gira, é. Deus. Eles cortam-nos.
Obrigado.
Eu sei se podia agarrá-los, mas sou muito mal.
Eles estão um pouco soltos, na verdade. Eles estão. Se você agarrar eles agora, eles vão.
Ok.
Soltos, eles pedem para apertar.
Tá bem.
Mas, boa pedalada.
Fica bem, obrigado. Uau! It reminds me of Lucky Luke, you know, the American comic with the arrows on the back, shot probably by Indians. And also this building, I don't know, it reminds me a bit of what's the name? Flatiron, I think the name. Flatiron building, one of the first skyscrapers in New York, with a triangle shape, you know, very slim. Yeah. So hi guys, I'm here in Cabo da Roca, which is the westernmost point in Portugal and Europe. I came with my friend João over there. Actually, it's a very nice ride from Lisbon, around 50 kilometers along the coastline. It's easy. I mean, it's not that hard. You have to climb a bit. Yeah, way less noisy and windy. So I'm here in the Tapada das Necessidades. It used to be a hunting area for the kings. Also has a palace over there, where the last two kings lived. The circular greenhouse. And I'm trying to get to the point. So what I was trying to say is, a couple of months ago, a Norwegian company called Bikevibe arrived in Lisbon, and they made a book about bicycle culture in Lisbon. Every year they go to 2 cities around the world. They went to Paris, Tokyo, for example, Oslo, and they basically grab up all the information. They gather the information of many relevant people in the bicycle industry. They talk with the Massa Crítica, the Portuguese movement event, the Bicycle Mayor of Lisbon, politicians, MUBI. They also talk with several bike shops. And to be honest, I've read it. They have sent me to me for free. I mean I didn't ask this, and they were very polite. So I think the minimum I can do is just to share their project. For example, this is my page, like a very small interview, nothing important. But the rest it's very, very interesting. Not only, for example, the history of one of our greatest cyclists, but also relevant people like Inês Sanches, Arturo Lourenço. For example, this Cicloficina dos Anjos, which is a community bike shop where everybody can take care of their bicycles. So yeah, nice. For a true cyclist, it's a great book to offer. Also, the winner of the belts, Frederico, he's from Lisbon, so I decided to give him in person. Actually, the person in black is the creator of the belt and the bag, so it was a little surprise. It was actually the creator that gave the belt to the winner. Also, the winner of this bag haven't replied to me in 2 weeks, so at the end of this month, if he doesn't reply to me, I'll have to pick another winner, basically. Finally, for those that are cactus lovers, you have to come here. This park has a huge collection of cactus, like this one. Yeah. Have a great week and an awesome summer. See ya.